Morning guys, and welcome to day whatever it might be. I'm not gonna lie, completely lost count. I think I've gone wrong somewhere, so I'm giving up. But we are pretty much, we're up, we're ready to go. It is later than planned, but that's fine because we needed more sleep, because basically Bradley got up and tried to get the Winnie the Pooh pin set that's coming out every month, because we've got all of them up to now, but it was 3 o'clock in the morning obviously for us because it was 8 AM UK time. So he set the alarm. I half heard it, but he got up and didn't say anything, and then I was like, nah. So he got up, he tried. So then when the alarm went off for going, if we went for rope drop, we were both shattered, because to be fair, even though I'd didn't go up, I was awake. I kept being like, what's he doing? I didn't even know. And then, yeah, so we were awake for about an hour anyway. So we didn't really want to get up. We decided we weren't gonna, we were just gonna have another hour in bed. So I reset my alarm, I got up, and then I let him sleep, so I was pretty much ready anyway, because obviously he was up training for me. So we're now later, but it's fine. We still have plenty of time. And it's still not late, it's 8:20. So outfit wise, I've got animal print dress, just got my little Simba socks, which you're not going to be able to see, New Balance, and my Jumbo ears are Daisy Bell Designs. But yeah, got this. I've got to change your outfit for later, and then yeah, we're gonna go and get on a bus. Let's have a little look actually. Does it tell us a bus time? Try and get it up on the app and see if we've just missed one, if there's one coming. Next bus arrival, 8:33. Okay, that's not bad, we can get that one. So yeah, we're gonna head out, get on the bus and get to Animal Kingdom. Huh? Oh, Pandora. Ooh. We've just got into Animal Kingdom, guys. Just took a photo out the front. Now we're at the tree. We're going to head to Dinosaur because it's a 5-minute wait. And obviously this is the last trip we'll be doing that ride, which we don't want to think about right now. We've still got time. So we're just going to divert from the tree. We'll come back later and head down to Dinosaur. This isn't fun. It's like wall city. Yeah, it does remind me of like when Disneyland Paris, Walt Disney Studios was just walls. Not as much now, but I mean, I'm excited for this area to be done, but right now this is just sad.
day.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tools are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period. And I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
Attention Expedition Everest.
So, I mean, at least there's stuff down here. I'll say. But then, after we've got up here, we're going to go and look for something to eat because I need some food. I'm feeling a little bit buzzy. But we haven't had anything yet this morning, so I think once I have some food, I'll be absolutely fine. Food and a drink. But so far, good day in Animal Kingdom. We're just... the weather's nice. And it's not too busy at the minute. But we've got a couple of friends coming in as well to meet us a little bit after. So that is the plan for now. So I've got breakfast. We've been to Starbucks and got a Mickey cinnamon roll. I'm gonna eat this. And then
let's go see some other animals.
our friends are here, so they're coming to meet us, I think. And then we'll see what we're gonna do.
Other similar features. To your left, closest to the truck, is a greater kudu, the tan antelope with no horns. They are length. They are about as long as a giraffe can be tall. The gray antelope that are super close to the truck right now, these are wildebeest. When they're all together in a group, often because predators get confused. You can't tell where one zebra begins, where one ends. Confusing for predators, not so confusing for baby zebra. Baby zebra, they imprint on their moms, memorize her strike. We might be able to see the elephants from the other side of the island here. Let's see. The greater flamingos, though, are actually the tallest and lightest pink of flamingo species. Now 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds. They use their tail almost like a runner.
Okay, are all of you ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's count her down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Wow!
We got it!
Incredible! Big round of applause. More green. Her name is Molly. That's Molly right there. And then in the back with the yellow head, what's her name? Gabriella. That's Gabriella. Or Gabby for short. So they're Molly and Gabby. I know. We know you're Molly. Yeah, you're not Molly. Okay, and now they're cats, which is really hopeful. Okay, so we are going to see if maybe they want to sing. Clean up the environment, and they also have stop the spread of diseases too. So these guys are kind of like nature's cleanup element.
Yeah, and I think we can all take a cleanup lesson from a bird like that. We can take a little bit better care of our planet. That's not like, but decades ago, we really believed people would never get to see a bald eagle ever again. Their populations dropped so low so quickly. But people out there took notice of it and took action. We cleaned up waterways where bald eagles were living, and we even stopped. It's an amazing conservation success story that shows how we can make an impact out there for so many animals.
Yeah, we did it for birds like Kamali, but there's still so many birds that out there that still need our help.
It has been a good while since I spoke. We've been in Animal Kingdom all day. It is 5:15, but it's been busy. But we've got a bit done. We did the safari, we've done the feathered Friends in Flight bird show. We've popped across to Rakuten's Planet Watch. We bought an individual single pass for Flight Passage, so we've done that. So the only ride we've still got left to do in that park now actually is Navi. So that's not too bad, but obviously we've got a few of the other shows that we want to see. But we have got another couple of times that we're going into there. But we have just got to the Grand. We've jumped on the bus because we have a reservation at 1900 Park Fair tonight. So we're going to go there and eat in a little bit, but we've got about just over 5 minutes or so till we can, because we can check in 20 minutes before our reservation, so we're just going to do it because we're here. But we're just going to sit and chill in the lobby until then, because I do love it in this hotel. This is like my dream hotel. Always has been since I've ever seen it, and from the first time I walked in it, I'd always gone, I want to stay there. But yeah, we're going to sit and chill and then go and eat some food. Okay, we're in, we've been seated. I picked up my first plate, so I've just got like mashed carrots, turkey, some mac and cheese, chicken nuggets, pizza, and a little bread roll. It is very cute in here. Like all the pictures and stuff that are on the walls that we can see. Our server is full of all the information. That mac and cheese is good. We've got a little autograph card. We're on the back. You can write your wish. There's a wish ceremony that's going to happen later. Characters, it says, will come to this side of a table. He's informed us of the order. He says to do these 2 tables here and then they come to us, so if we don't see them there, we're good to go get food or eat. If they're there, just wait. But yeah, we're gonna get ready for some food. I haven't ate anything since my cinnamon roll this morning. That turkey's really nice too. But yeah, we're gonna go and eat. I've already had a little brief look at the desserts and it looks like there's some good ones, so I'm excited to try some of them after. But we'll eat and I'll obviously try and film the characters then.
What are we doing today? Good to see you. Come on over. Oh, do you have something for me to sign?
Yes,
Are we missing one of our friends over here?
we are. It's just popped the card.
Oh no! He's like the monkey, you can't hold him, huh?
Yeah.
Now, where are we from? Which part?
I'm from North. Scotland.
Oh, awesome! Well, you know, we don't go there very often because we're not great with the cold. No, or the rain either.
No,
So, maybe you guys can come visit us, how about that?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll take you on the carpet. Have you ever been on the carpet before?
No.
No? My friend, how old are you?
29.
You don't have a carpet?
I don't have it.
I'll talk to the GE, see what we can do, alright?
Yeah.
Come on over here, man. Should I take stuff with you?
Yeah, we'll take it.
Absolutely. The GE's been teaching me about these subjects, so if you see him, tell him to do a good job, okay? Perfect. And I'll come back when he's back, alright?
Yeah, no problem.
Bye now.
Thank you for having us.
No, because my deal Bruno's rats and I decided to play a little bit of hide and seek.
Yeah.
And they've been doing lots of hiding and not very much. So I was wondering if you can keep an ear out for me, yes? I mean, you do have these big rat ears up on top of your head. They might help you a little bit. Yeah. Yes. Yes. You know, my deal Bruno, him and his rats, they're always up to no good. And those rats, they're always hungry.
Yeah.
Never satisfied.
No.
But that is okay. My mom just makes a couple extra enigmas for them, and they're pretty satisfied.
Yeah.
You guys gonna come take a picture all together? You and now it's your turn, remember? Sure, I was I'm a husband. I might have brought a little cookie. I almost know a thing or two about some good cookies, just like that.
Yeah.
Y'all enjoy doing some cooking sometimes, or are you more tasty?
Every time from
Every chef does need a taste.
Yeah.
I have a restaurant where I love bringing folks together for pizza. Maybe you can stop by and get something up.
Yeah.
Do you tend to like spicy foods or sweet treats?
Sweet treat.
Then I think we'll have to start with Cuban eggs.
Yeah.
Next matter soaking for honey, and I'm sure they'll be just as sweet as well. Would you like to smile with me today, too, honey?
Please.
All right, I'm over there. That would be great. May I take her own way? Take your time, right? Thank you. See you for some beignets next.
Yeah, definitely.
Why, hello there, dreamers. It's me, Cherry Crane, your host for this very special gathering of all those who carry a wish in their hearts. Yes, sir, I'm talking to you, wish makers. And all you wish granted too.
Disney trips.
Oh, but
That's
you
it?
looky here. We have some familiar wish makers I'd say you're ready to
Probably
begin.
not here.
Just follow my lead and let your conscience be your guide. Now, everybody, take hold of your wishing star.
Grab onto your wishes.
Look at what you look like and remember. Oh, and don't worry if you haven't written anything yet. All you gotta do is think of a wish. It could be as simple as a feeling or your heart's greatest desire. Got it? Wonderful. Here we go. Hold your wish high in the air. That's it. Wish granters, go on and help them out if they need it. Wow! Look at all those amazing glittering wishes. Magnificent! Next, in your best wishing voice, nice and loud now, repeat after me. I wish my wish.
I wish.
As wish makers do.
As wish makers do.
And believe in myself.
And believe in myself.
To make it come true.
Make it come true.
Beautifully done. Funny thing about wishes, some happen right away, and others, well, take a little time.
And it's looking that's still a ways away. There should be nothing to worry about there. No. Should we show off our matching dresses too? And one for your princess. Yeah. May I take
Okay, I finished with normal food. I've now got some desserts. You can't actually see. I've got a little sugar cookie with little Mickey sprinkles, a little vanilla cupcake, and there's like a little warm chocolate cake, and a triple chocolate mousse fudge brownie thing. I'm going to eat the chocolate cake first because obviously that's warm. Like a little melt in the middle. And it's quite chocolatey, they're quite sweet, but that is really good. I'm going to try the other things in a minute. It was really good. I'm going to try the other bits and pieces now. Brownie.
I'll take you up in a second. You gotta go down.
Again, very nice. Yeah. Again, good desserts. And a little cupcake. Yeah, no, all of them are really good. And there is also the strawberry soup that I quite want to try because obviously that is specific to here. Whether or not I have that tonight or not, I don't know. Because we are here also for breakfast later on in the trip. And it is also done there. So I might keep it for that. I'll see how I feel once I've eaten this, whether I think I can handle anything else or not. Okay, I bet them desserts. I'm pretty stuffed. Bradley has brought us a little tub of the strawberry soup. I can't even show you because it's like liquid. He was like, we'll try it together. Right, we're back. Ooh. I don't even know how to describe it. Like it's like strawberries, but I don't know how to describe what else it is. It's nice. I don't know what I was expecting. Like, I don't know what I thought it was. I think it's like thinner than I thought it would be. It's nice though. It is just like strawberries. No, because I actually cannot eat that much. But it is nice. It's like refreshing. Quite nice after, like, to finish actually. After like I've ate everything else, it's like just nice, like refreshing after finisher is what I'm going to call it. Thank you. The tree's up. I'm excited. Oh, It's so pretty. It's busy. We're just running into the Emporium and then getting a space for the parade is the plan. Hopefully.
I'd be more worried about that part, but that could be me.
Space for parade. We got given little stickers. It's a little Mickey Starlight. It's very cute. This is the spot we've got for the Starlight Parade. So we're just on the corner of Main Street, and obviously this is the first time we've seen it, so I'm excited.
Journey through the stars, where anything is possible, and your most cherished dreams come true.
mess. As per. Oh, I've just stood and cried during fireworks. We actually got a good space. Like I could actually see, which makes a change.
Because she's short.
Yes, I'm small. But it was so good, as always. Absolutely loved it. I've just cried a lot. But loved it. Also enjoyed the parade.
You gonna go in?
Yeah, no, I'm alright. Yeah, no, enjoyed the parade as well. It was cute, but we're gonna go on a ride now because the park's still open till 10. Just to let the crowd die down a little bit before we head back because we are tired, so we are gonna head back and go to bed, but we're just gonna give it a little bit of time just to die down after the initial rush of the people leaving. And give me time to calm down because, yeah, I'm emotional.
That tree that's not decorated with a weird boa on top. Well, have a great memory. I wish I had a memory like that. I bet they like to folks, but it's okay. I tell them every year. You tell This is your one-stop shop for all things fishes, Veronica, and of course, Canoe Year. And now for the most dangerous part of our
We are back from Magic Kingdom. We've had a really good night, to be fair. It's been a lot of fun. We're absolutely shattered. Like, shattered. Because it's been a long day. But it's been good. It's been fun. So, the last time I spoke to you was when I was in tears after Happily Ever After. We went and we did Jingle Cruise, which, I mean, it isn't my favourite ride. It's one that I just, I don't know. But to be fair, in defence of our skipper, we had a really good skipper today, and she was a lot of fun. And bless her, the mic kept cutting in and out, and in the end, she ended up just having to shout for pretty much the majority of the ride, so she did really well. And then we came off that and it was like 10 to 10, the park shut at 10, so we went and jumped in Seven Dwarfs Mine train queue. So I mean, it was posted at 35, we waited about 20, and that was a lot of fun. So that was a good way that I got that ticked off anyway, because we haven't done that yet. this trip, because obviously today, to be fair, other than the party, it's the first time we've been in Magic Kingdom. So we've still got quite a bit to do in there at a minute. But yeah, so that was kind of what we got done afterwards. Then we came back to the buses. Had a bit of an issue with them, but it was fine, we've got back. It was basically, we were waiting to get on one. We met up with some friends that had been for dinner at Wilderness Lodge. We're coming back to get on the bus to go to Pop. One of them's in a wheelchair, so obviously we'd had to go to the front to get on. So the bus that was there at the minute was like, they'd had 3 scooters on, so they couldn't take, but there was another one right behind, so that was fine. But then when that one pulled in, they then told us they wanted the scooter on first. So we were like, right, okay. Put the scooter on, they were having issues with the scooter. They then wanted to put a wheelchair in a seat that it couldn't go into, basically. So then they were like, you're going to have to get on another bus. And we were like, not being funny, we were here before the scooter was even here. We've waited all this time anyway, like what? And they were like, the bus is literally like coming, we know it's not good. They shouldn't have put her on first, we don't know why they have, but she's on now and this and the other, and we were like, right, okay. Anyway, the other bus was literally right behind, so we got onto that bus. It then just waited a little bit before it set off. So I mean, in reality, it was fine. It was just we wanted to get back. We were tired, we wanted to get to bed. But we're back now, so it's all fine. And then we've just filled up the mugs and then just getting ready to get into bed, basically. But I'm gonna have a drink. That's one thing, I have not drank enough today at all. But it's fine. Actually, that's the point. I need to put my juice in my bag. I bought juice with me and I keep forgetting to put it in my bag, so then when we go to the packs, I haven't got it because I won't drink the iced water just as it is. Like, I can't. But yeah, in terms of restaurant, 1900 Park Fair for our full review. Bradley's rating it a 9 out of 10 because he enjoyed everything. It was just the desserts for him didn't hit the mark, but that's just, he's not really a dessert person, so like the chocolate things for him were too much. It was like too rich. But for me, I actually think I'm going to go with 10 out of 10 because like there was nothing that was bad for me. Like the food was lovely. Like everything tasted really nice. It was hot. The desserts for me were perfect. There was quite a lot of options, and the chocolate ones for me were, yeah, so good just because I have like the sweetest tooth. The character interactions were really good. They all took like some time talking to us. First everything, got the photos. Our server was really good. He was attentive, like he was constantly getting us a drink if we needed it, asking if we were okay, clearing the plates and stuff like that. When we first went in, he told us a load of information about like the buffet and the food and the experience of what would happen for like when the characters would come and everything. So yeah, for me, I actually don't have anything to fault. So I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. Would like definitely go back. No doubt about it. If it was an option, I would go. And then highlight of the day. I mean, for me, 100% happily ever after. Just being back and watching that show again for the first time in person. Like I said, having the view we did where I could actually see the castle, see the projections and everything. It was just perfect. Like I said, I cried, but it wasn't I was sad and I was crying. It was just that show gets me. I mean, a lot of them do, let's be real. But yeah, Happily ever after for me. Bradley's got his now. I asked him before I started filming this clip and he was like, start filming, I'll think. Yeah, for him, it was the Jingle Cruise. He loves that ride. Anyway, and like I said, we did have a good skipper.
Very good.
Yeah, I know, I said about it before with the mic. So yeah, that is his highlight. But we're going to go and try and get some sleep because we are absolutely shattered. We've had a very long day. We were up in the middle of the night last night. I was awake. He's blaming me because I didn't get up and actually get my phone up, which was half his fault. Because we had an alarm set at 3 o'clock. Well, no, it was 10 to 3 the alarm was set. Because basically, if any of you know, which I'm sure you do, the Winnie the Pooh pin set that's been releasing every month this year, we have got, I say we, it's me, but Bradley and them have been getting, been the ones that have been getting them for me. But we've got every month up until now, so obviously all we had left was November's and December's. But obviously they go on sale on the shop, on the Disney website at 8 AM UK time, which was 3 AM for us here. So, and I mean, they do release in person here tomorrow, so I think we release on a Tuesday here, but it's on a Monday at home. So we could have tried to get them tomorrow, but we'd have to be up there ready to be getting them when it came out. But also it was the risk of, if we didn't try getting them on the website and then we didn't get them here, we wouldn't have a backup of trying the website. So we set the alarm at 10 to 3. And it was Bradley's alarm on his phone. So I kind of half heard it go off. But was half asleep, and because it wasn't my alarm, I hadn't knocked it off, so he knocked it off. And in all honesty, I wasn't really sure if I'd heard it, if I hadn't heard it, what was going on. But he got up to go to the toilet and said nothing. If he'd have spoke to me, I would probably then have been awake and been like, oh yeah, no, that's what, it was the alarm, we were doing this. But he got up to go to the toilet and then just stayed in the bathroom and stuff to do it all. So I was awake, and it was only really after 3, just after 3 when I clicked as to why it was the alarm and this was what happened. But by that point, there was no point in me joining the queue anyway, because they'd have gone. But we were then up for an hour anyway. It was 4 o'clock before we then got back to sleep. But we did get the pins, but we didn't get them. Bradley got on the queue for the UK site and was 4,000 odd. Yeah. But one of our friends did manage to get them. So we have got them, so now we've just got December's. But yeah, thank you, Ruben. I don't know what just fell off in the bathroom. There's just been a bang from the bathroom. We'll deal with that after. But yeah, so now we've just, fingers crossed, managed to get December's. And then we will have the full set. But yeah, because of that, we've been very tired. So we're going to try and get some sleep because we think anyway, getting up and aiming to be at Epcot for extra magic time in the morning. We've got a reservation at Garden Grill for breakfast. That isn't till 9:40, 9:45, somewhere around then. Obviously the extra magic half hour starts at 8:30, so it will be a Skyliner across, which will be busy, but it'll move. We'll see how we go. But we're going to go and try and do that so that we can rope drop Guardians, hopefully. We do have a Lightning Lane booked for that tomorrow as well. But, I mean, I really hope, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed, that I can get September this trip because it's the one I want the most. But we will wait and see. But obviously to do that, I'd rather. That face was because Bradley's winding me up, being like, I've got it this many times in the background, and I'm just like, shh. But yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed I get it on this trip. But in fairness, I will be happy with anything that isn't conger. Even if I don't get conger, it's not that I don't like conger, I do. But that's the only one I've actually had. I liked it, but it is the only one I've had, so I would quite like to get something different. But obviously, we want to try and do it as many times as we can. So we've got the Lightning Lane and then hopefully Rope Drop. Other than that, we have got an Epcot day. We are just in Epcot all day as it stands at the minute. So hopefully we get some things done. But it will depend on the busyness of the park again. Animal Kingdom today has felt busy, but we did get quite a bit done. So we will see what tomorrow has in store. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to me ramble on, because I've just looked and realised that this is like nearly 13 minutes long. If you've got this far, well done. And I will see you in the morning. Well, for you guys next week, but for me in the morning. Bye guys.